guys, welcome back to Naturally Natural's Way. It's your girl Tatiana. I'm back with a video. So today I'm going to be doing a video telling you what products I use to achieve this wash and go. Yeah, so I did this wash and go. I'm going to get right into the video. I don't want to drag it on. So I did this wash and go 2 days ago. This is my second day. I did freshly washed hair, shampoo. I don't use shampoo all the time, but I will get into that another day. I don't use shampoo all the time, but I definitely use shampoo this week. Yeah, the wash and go is a little fluffy. It's a little fluffy. I definitely had a lot of growth. Shrinkage is real, right? Shrinkage is real. Shrinkage is real. So I'm going to show you guys what products I use so you all can achieve this same wash and go, because it's not the shape that I'm trying to show y'all, it's how defined my curls is. And it's, I have frizz. I promise you I have frizz, but and you can obviously see it. I have frizz, but it's very defined, you know. For type 4 hair, I think I have like a type 4B, C, girl, I don't know. I don't type it because it don't matter. As long as the products is working for your hair, the products is working for your hair. But I typically use, you know, products that's geared towards black hair. Okay, so I wash my hair, and I'll do a video. If you guys want to see a video on exactly how I wash my hair, because I do not put the shampoo on my hair. I put the shampoo on my scalp because my hair gets dried out pretty easy, you know, just like anybody else. So I did shampoo. Another thing, I do my wash and goes in the shower, girl. I do not come out that shower until my hair is completely done. Once I got done doing my hair, washing my hair, shampooing my hair, conditioning my hair, I went in with the Orchid Naturals Lemongrass. Just want that to focus in a little bit. The Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. This is the truth. I love it. I love it, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh. It smells lovely. It smells like lemons, you know, like sweet lemons, not sour. And so I sprayed a little bit of that on my hair. Sprayed a little bit, but the thing is with this, I like this, but I promise you, I have not used this that many times, and I'm already, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's already almost gone. And this is pretty, this is pricey. This is pricey. And it's just, I get to spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying, and I just be spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying. If you get my drift. But I have to, you know, not use so much, but I know they sell a bigger bottle, but yeah, they need to do something with that, or, you know, reduce the price. That's just my opinion. So after I put my leave-in conditioner in, my Lemongrass Orchid Naturals leave-in conditioner in, I went in with the Main Choice. I'm not sure if you can see that. This is the Orchid, Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. This is awesome. I'm telling you guys and girls, guys, everybody, this is awesome. I wanted to focus in, but I'm pretty sure you all, you know, if you're new to the natural world, or if you've been around, you know exactly what this is. It's just styling gel, and it doesn't really have a smell. You can see the consistency. It's I'm sorry my face looked like that. That was messed up. Okay, so yeah, it's still dripping. It's still dripping. We have to stop that. It's still dripping. It smells good. It smells good. And it's just, it's something. It does well for your hair though. It gets the curls clumping and the curls looking good, and your hair is going to be on point. Your wash and go is going to be on point when you do it. So that was the only 2 products that I use, and I do use oil in my hair. You know, I know some girls are saying that they don't use oil in their hair, but your girl used oil in her hair. So I also have, I'm running out of this, the Made Choice Growth Oil. I'll show you if I can focus in. Yeah, so if you've been around a lot, you know what this is. It's just the Made Choice Growth Oil. I use that. I don't do a lot. I just put it on my scalp, massage it in, and you know, really my hair feels a little really moist, so it definitely holds in that moisture on my hair. So yeah, this is how I achieved that wash and go. And if you all want to see a detailed video, because I can give you a detailed video, I can show you exactly what I did, my method to get in my hair to be, you know, the individual curls. If you can see this, and I plays in my hair. I got the hand and hair problem. I plays in my hair, but it don't have, I'm still retaining length, you know what I'm saying? It's, yeah. Okay, so enough of that. If you guys want to see a detailed video on how I got this wash and go, make sure you comment, subscribe, because your girl have a lot of videos that I want to make for you all. It's a lot. I have a lot in store for this channel and the growth of my channel. So comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you all in another video.